Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to open and write hello world into a file. So given a file as input to your Python program, that is a file name. So your task is to open that particular file and write a string, that is hello world. This is a string, so you have to write this particular string into your file. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So I have opened my current working directory. So this is my current working directory. So this is my main.py, that is a Python file. So if I try to run this particular file, so I'll generate a new file that is provided by the user, and the contents of this particular file will be hello world. So let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable, that is file name, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a file name. Yeah, so once the user enters, it will be of string type and it will be stored in this particular variable. So now, so let us take my underscore string. So this is another variable to store your that is hello world into your string. So this is the input string. So if the string changes, so the reason I am taking this particular variable and initializing it with a hello world is, if this string changes, something like this message changes, something like hello Python or welcome to programming, so you can just modify over here and use the same variable into, that is the same program will work for the different messages as well. So that's the reason I am taking the variable over here. So once that said, so let us use the, that is let us open the file in the write mode. So let me take a variable, that is file descriptor, and use the open function, and here inside the function, so let us try to give the file, that is user provided file name, and inside that we are opening in the write mode. So once we are done opening the file in the write mode, so let us take file descriptor and use the built-in function write, and try to provide the input parameter to this, that is my underscore string. So we need to write this particular, that is contents of this particular variable into my file. And once we are done writing the contents, so let us use the close function. Yeah, so this is a file line code to open a file, then write the contents of this particular string. So the string contains a that is pointing to a hello world, and closing the file. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to open and write hello world into a file. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so enter a file name. So let's say sample. So you can see sample has been created over here under the main.py. So let me close it. So once the program completes, so let me open this. So you can see the contents of this particular file is hello world. Closing it. So now let me re-execute it. So enter a file, let's say some file. So you can see the program has been exited and you can see some file has been created. So the contents, if we see, so hello world has been present. So the same with the sample contents as well. So this program keeps creating, that is whatever you give the file name, so it will create, and it will write this particular string into it. Closing it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to open and write hello world into a file. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.